Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into your Synchrony Bank online banking account using your mobile device. First of all, open up a web browser on your mobile device and then in the URL box type in synchrony.com. You will then end up in the Synchrony official website. Go to the sign in button at the top right and tap on it. Now, select your account type from the menu. To log into your bank account, tap on Synchrony Bank. In the sign-in area, type down your username and password respectively. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on Forgot Password option. After typing down your credentials correct, tap on Sign In and log into your account. After signing in, you can go ahead and manage your bank account right from your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.